let's have another term here was called curl. Curl F. Curl F defined by the cross product with the del operator, so with this operator, partial x, partial y, and the vector field. So you know the cross field or the cross product is defined by this determinant ijk in the first row. The row will be the first vector, and the third row will be the second vector component. And if you just simply expand this determinant, you'll get this expression. You know how. We cancel this row and keep I, then partial r by partial y, this one, minus partial q by partial z, minus j, partial x by partial r, partial d by partial y, and so on. But here, they just get the negative inside and switch the two terms, and so on. So here we can also find the curl of for this definition exactly as we have done before. We have the same example, and you know what is R, what is P, what is Q. So our or F equals E Q R equal. So P is the first component and Q is the second one, and so on. So we'll calculate this term one by one and substitute them. Partial R by partial I. R is the last component, which is this one. I will find the derivative with respect to y, and we will treat z as constant. Then take 4 here and take 1 from here, and the second component is partial q by partial z. The second component, yes, like this. Let's say q. What is the q here? Q is the second component. Equals. Now we will think about z as constant. So this derivative will be 4x to the power 5y square without z, because the derivative of equal 1. All right. So now we are done with the first. Just this part minus, or this quantity minus this quantity times I, and we can complete. We can just find each derivative and complete one by one. All right. So this